If you're not making this cowboy butter, you're missing out. The sauce is the star of the show. It's like liquid gold. It's so tasty you could put it on rocks and it'll taste good. But let's try chicken instead. You're gonna start with butter, shallots or onion, garlic, some thyme, chili flakes, paprika, cayenne, Worcester sauce, Dijon mustard and salt, and give it a mix. Then add in the fresh parsley and green onions. We're going to season our chicken with lemon pepper seasoning, paprika, cayenne, salt and olive oil. You want to mix and massage well. Sear it 3 to 4 minutes on each side and then remove. You want to brush on the cowboy butter and that is it.